What's up everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where I edit stock photo of cars and turn them into custom build. And for today's car build, I'm editing one of the luxury cars for the richest, a Bentley Continental GT. This car was made by Bentley Motors, and if you check their history, they're well known to create luxury cars with big engines. Heck, their classic cars consist of 3 liters to 8 liter engines, and this was the year around 30s and 40s until now. One of the reasons the car was expensive as well was because of the handmade detail using high quality materials that you can choose any designs you want, interior and exterior. For this car's performance, hold on to your butts. A 6-liter W12 engine, not a V, a W12 engine. With 8-speed transmission, this car delivers top speed of 333 kilometers per hour. It has 4 modes: Comfort, Sport, Bentley mode means combination of both, and Custom mode for you to tweak the car to your own way. For the designs I did to the car, I put a custom wide body kit, their own GT3 racing wing and front bumper removed and replaced with plexiglass so you can see the exposed intercooler. The car gives out that street racing look but still carries that high-end luxury. I hope you enjoy the editing process and the final outcome. If you want to see more of my artworks, you can check out in my channel. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when my next video will be released. If you want to follow me in social media, I leave you the links in the description below. Hope you enjoy my video and I see you in the next one.